The average knowledge worker spends about 60% of their time on work about work, updating spreadsheets, sending status updates, and moving data from one place to another. That's not creative work. That's not strategic work. That's busy work. But what if you could cut that down? In this video, I'm going to share 3 of the best AI automation tools for 2026 that can save you 20 hours every week. These tools aren't just about simplifying tasks. They seamlessly connect with your Google Sheets, Notion, CRMs, and pretty much your entire digital ecosystem. First up, Make is a powerful visual automation tool which connects over 3,000 apps to automate your repetitive tasks without any coding. You can auto-sync orders from your e-commerce store to Google Sheets, send new leads straight to your CRM, back up email attachments to Drive, even post to multiple social media pages at once. It has a free tier, and yearly paid plans start at $9 per month. Pretty incredible, right? But here's the thing. Knowing about these tools is one thing, mastering them and building powerful automations is another. As 2025 is almost over, and we're falling into the same trap again, waiting for January 1st to start something new or learn a new skill. But here's the truth, you don't need a new year to make a new start. AI was one of the most in-demand skills of 2025, according to the World Economic Forum. Yet most of us didn't learn it, and that puts us at risk, not just of falling behind, but of being replaced. You still have 45 days to learn AI and step into 2026 as a more skilled, smarter, and employable individual. That too in just 2 days. Let me tell you about the 2-day live AI Mastermind training by Outskill, the world's first AI-focused educational platform, happening this Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST on both days. And the timing is perfect because they have their year-end holiday offer going on, so you can get in absolutely for free instead of the usual $395. Outskill is rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and this 16-hour live experience by them has been attended by more than 10 million worldwide professionals like you, across fields like marketing, finance, engineering, and data, mentored directly by AI experts from companies like Microsoft, Adobe, and Google. The best part? This training isn't just about learning tools, it's about changing the way you work. You'll learn how to use AI to simplify your daily tasks, build AI agents that plan, create, and automate your workflows, design AI automations that connect tools like Sheets, Notion, and CRMs to save hours, gain ready-to-use AI systems for your job, business, or freelance projects. But learning those skills isn't just enough. The most important part is knowing how to monetize them. Outskill's learners have launched AI-powered businesses that even built weekly revenue models, receive bonuses including a prompt Bible, a roadmap to monetize AI, and a personalized AI toolkit builder, only if you attend both the days. This Christmas gift is opportunity to someone who you think could benefit from learning AI, as it could change their career in 2026. Seats are limited. Grab yours now via the link in the description or scan QR code on screen. Join the WhatsApp community to stay updated before the big blast. Alright, back to our automation toolkit. Now, Make is powerful, but if you're looking for something even more beginner-friendly, let's talk about tool number 2, Zapier, with over 6,000 app integrations. The best part? You can simply type your desired action in plain English, and Zapier will build the automation for you. Zapier has a free tier, and yearly paid plans start at just $19.99 per month. Third, Notion's built-in AI and automations. You can auto-assign tasks, get AI-generated summaries of meeting notes, and even sync status updates with your CRM. Think of Notion as your central hub, and you can connect it to Sheets and CRMs with Make or Zapier. Your whole business, all in one dashboard. Notion is also free, and the AI features start at just $10 per month. So that's Make, Zapier, and Notion AI, 3 tools to supercharge your workflow in 2026. But do not forget to master more automation tools in your career. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to start mastering AI skills in just 2 days.